Hello hockey card collectors, this is the Scruffy Bear from Scruffybear.ca, and I'm here today because I open another one of these. Yes, I did so well the last time opening one of these that I wanted to try it one more time. So hopefully I can get a Kaprizov retro in here. That'd be nice. But on the other hand, I might only be getting lucky once. So let's open this sucker up and see what I get. For those that are interested, Scruffybear.ca has now added over 500 old and new rookies. You can get them before they're gone. Okay. We got 7 packs here, and let's start with the first pack. Hopefully I'll get some good stuff, but then you see, it's a hit and miss. And we got Joseph, Donato, Hiroshi, and Connor Mackey Young Gun right off the bat. That's not bad. I didn't have that one. Jesse Perjarvi, and Kadikos, Dubois, and Sprong. Oh, that's a good start. And we got Simmons, Comtois, Robert, Caliandro, and we got a dazzler of Tim Stutzel. Nice. Eric Stahl, Trevor Lewis, and Jankowski. And we got, what is that? Gambriel? Yeah, Daniel Gambriel. Okay. Hurdle. Stefan. That was the first time I've ever heard of it. Oh, Jack Rathbone Young Guns. Nice. Oh, that does it for my Young Guns, I believe. Dadnoff, O'Reilly, Taze, and Pitlick. I got my Young Guns right out of the way. Tim Stutzel Dazzler. Starting to look good. And Yossi, McElhaney, Oshie, oh, Cam Johnson Young Guns. I got 3 Young Guns in the blaster. Hellebuck, Shattenkirk, Dobson, and Sutter. Whoa, 3 Young Guns in this blaster. Maybe I should be buying a whole case of these. Okay, we got Pasternak, Kunin, Nozian, and rookie class of Vitek Vanacek, Roslovskik, and Markstrom, Fost, as they pronounce it, and Pacioretty. 2 more packs. Okay, Seth Jones, TJ Brody, Tyson Berry, oh, 2 of the same, eh? John Gibson, Victory, Retro, and we got Taylor Hall, Connor Timmins, and Nick Cousins. As far as I know, there's no French variations though in the blasters. I don't know about the retail. Okay, we got Ryder, Gustafson, Lowry, Nathan McKinnon, and our retro is of Tyler Seguin. Scruffybear, that guy. Jack Johnson and Tristan Berry. That's it, guys. That's it for the blaster. And once again, it looks like I didn't do too bad. These blasters aren't too bad. Got 7 packs and basically 7 inserts. Let's recap here. We got a Connor Mackey, Young Guns. Cam Johnson, Young Guns. Jack Rathbones, Young Guns. Tyler Sagan's Retro. John Gibson Victory Retro. And Vanacek Rookie Class. And a Tim Strutzel Dazzler. That's it, guys. That's next week. I got another box coming in, so we'll be breaking another one next week. And take a look at what's on Scruffybear.ca. You might like it. You might want to buy some of the cards there. Free shipping. If you type free ship at the end of the checkout, it's free shipping over $200. Thinking about dropping that to 150. I don't know. Tell me if you think so. It should be 150 in the comments. Okay, but anyways, that's their break for today. That's the 2021 Hockey Extended Series Blaster. Hope you're safe. Take care. We'll see you again. Thank you for watching.